it is that little probe comes out, feels the end of the piece. Is that recording audio? Okay. The probe comes out, feels the end of the piece, so zero out the machine. Once it zeroes out, then it picks up. That's the actual start point. We can set up the angle at any position on here, and it will pick its own 0 point. It's not like we have to do a specific setup for each piece that goes on. Now the probe is coming out to find the 0 point. Once the 0 point is established, the machine will move back down to the starting point and start the drill operation. The machine is a full CNC controlled drill line, capable of drilling angle, panel, beam, and plate with the proper fixture. We can drill from 1/8" holes up to 1.5". It has a 40-inch height ability, 50 feet in length. Currently we're drilling a 5x3, 5/16 angle with an 18mm hole. Multiple pieces can be set up on the drill line to where we can run continuous without the machine shutting down for a complete setup. There is a sensor in the drill itself.